The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We the people. Perhaps the most famous words in American history. The bedrock of American government. We the people created the government. We the people conferred powers on the government. That's the essence of a republic. Ancient Greece and Rome had republics for a while, for some of the people at least. Then emperors or generals took charge. A collection of Italian islands created the Republic of Venice. It lasted more than 1,000 years, until an emperor named Napoleon ended it. When we declared our independence from Great Britain, we the people chose to govern ourselves. It says so in our Declaration of Independence.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
Governments derive their just powers, we said, from the consent of the governed, that is, from we the people. It's such an important principle that we tacked on not 1 but 2 reminders, the 9th and 10th Amendments. The 9th Amendment says that just because certain rights are not specifically protected in the Constitution, the people still retain all their other rights, like the right to travel or to educate their children as they see fit. The 10th Amendment says that any powers not assigned to the federal government are reserved to the states or to the people. These 2 amendments were put there specifically to safeguard our liberty. Yet few people know they exist. It's vital for we the people to know and understand our Constitution, if self-government is to persist.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We the people.